Hi, my name is Dimitry. I'm from the United States. I just got my hair transplant here. I'm very happy with hospitable service here. They put me in a very nice hotel. Everyone was very kind to me here. I highly would recommend it. If you want to do a hair transplant, I would recommend this place 100%. Contact Harris if you're from the United States.
After hair transplant, we also do strolling around Istanbul, Turkey.
Thank you, Ilyas Arslan's Clinic. This place has been very good to me.